Hello, welcome to Helen English Hub. Pronunciation in use, sound pairs.
D35. Sound pair 29.
Best, vest. Bet, vet. Cupboard, covered.
1,
Vest, vest.
2,
Bet, bet.
3,
Covered, covered.
4,
Best, vest.
5,
Vet, bet.
6,
Cupboard, covered.
7,
Best, best.
8,
Vet.
9,
They've ached all day.
10,
Some of each.
11,
Say boil.
12.
I've rushed it.
D36. Sound pair 30.
Pull, full. Copy, coffee. Wipe, wife. Supper, suffer.
1,
Full, full.
2,
Copy, coffee.
3,
Wipe, wife.
4,
Supper, supper.
5,
Pull, pull.
6,
Copy, copy.
7,
Wife, wife.
8,
Fool,
9,
pine.
10,
He was driving past.
11,
A nicer pair.
12.
A change of face.
D37. Sound pair 31.
Place, plays. Sue, zoo. Rice, rise. East, eased.
1,
Place, place.
2,
Zoo, sue.
3,
Rise, rise.
4,
East, east.
5,
Plays, place.
6,
Sue, sue.
7,
Rice, rise.
8,
Eyes.
9,
Sip.
10,
They raise horses here.
11,
What's wrong with your niece today?
12.
I just want some peace, please.
D38. Sound pair 32.
Same, shame. Self, shelf. Fist, fished. Sell, shell.
1,
Shame, shame.
2,
Self, shelf.
3,
Fished, fist.
4,
Sell, shell.
5,
Same, same.
6,
Self, self.
7,
Fished, fished.
8,
Sign,
9,
mash.
10,
I didn't save for years.
11,
They didn't shoot him.
12,
They sat on the seat.
D39. Sound pairs 33.
Sink, think. Worse, worth. Bathe, bathe. Closed, clothed.
1,
Sink, think.
2,
Worth, worth.
3,
Bathe, bathe.
4,
Clothed, clothed.
5,
Think, think.
6,
Worse, worth.
7,
Bathe, bathe.
8,
Thing,
9,
breeze.
10,
That's a funny thought.
11,
Her mouse seems to be smiling.
12,
Are they closed yet?
D40. Sound pair 34.
Hard, heart. Road, wrote. Dune, tune. Die, tie.
1,
Heart, heart.
2,
Road, road.
3,
Dune, tune.
4,
Die, tie.
5,
Hard, heart.
6,
Wrote, wrote.
7,
Tune, dune.
8,
Said,
9,
town.
10,
I forgot the coat.
11,
It's a very wide beach.
12.
She started writing young.
D41. Sound pairs 35.
Tree, 3. Boat, both. Breed, breathe. Dough, though.
1,
3, 3.
2,
Boat, both.
3,
Breed, breathe.
4,
Though, though.
5,
Tree, 3.
6,
Boat, both.
7,
Breathe, breed.
8,
Tree,
9,
they.
10,
I don't want your thanks.
11,
That's what I taught.
12.
They couldn't breathe very well.
Thanks for your watching. If you like the video, please like, share or subscribe. Thank you.